easy go.
What's up, guys? And today we're back with another video, guys, with Drake's YT, guys. And today, guys, I am going to be showing you guys how to make the old chopper come back. And cause the choppers actually changed, right? Look, one time the chopper and then they changed it to the chopper, and then they changed it into a different gun, which is, I'm gonna say, guys, it's like an L, it's like it's like it's like an it's like a it's like a PP-19. You know what I'm saying? the the new chopper, guys. This chopper, he looks like a PP-19. If you guys don't really look at this, and they look exactly the same, but the magazines are different and bigger. See? You guys never get what I'm saying? But no. Like that. But she's my dog. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to bring back the old chopper like this. Here guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to bring back this kind of chopper in Call of Duty. Because you know they did change the they did change the chopper or the chainsaw. So I think that's what they called it, chainsaw. Cause in iFirst radio they call it that. They called it that when it was in this version, and then they just called it chopper. I guess Call of Duty changed the name to chainsaw to chopper, but the gun is still like this. And then one day, they Call of Duty probably or the developers probably change the gun or something. I don't know, but yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna show you guys how to bring back this old chopper. So first, this is a very easy way to bring it back. So yeah. First, guys, you need to equip like the handle in like the stock. You see the stock, guys? See that's like the back of the gun. And in the old chopper or in the old chainsaw, there was a handle in the back of the gun. So we just need to change the stock into a handle. And how do we do that, guys? You just go to the stock, and yeah. But it's not there. If you just click any of this, it's not there. So click back. You actually need to go to the underbarrel. And at the underbarrel, you guys need to just swipe. And at the end, guys, there is called a heavy handle. And you guys could get that when your chopper is at level 50. So first, you guys need to play with your new chopper, and then until it reaches the level 50, you guys will get the heavy handle. And click that, and then click equip. Boom. See, guys, you guys have already done it, but we still need to do it. All right. So first, even with this, you guys are gonna go with this, the chopper infantry. I did the muzzle. Remember, guys, the old chopper did not have like a big and long muzzle. It had only like a small muzzle. So let's not equip that. And this is actually my choice because it's the smallest one. So yeah. All right. And for the perk, you guys just really need to pick what you guys want. Yeah. And then for the laser, remember the chopper didn't have any laser. So yeah, no lasers. If you guys do want to add it, sure. And for this, you guys will add the 150 round reload. But it will get rid of 1% of your mobility. So yeah. Yeah, yeah, but the optic, stock, rear grip, no, you can't do those things. But the skin you guys can do. I don't have any rare and common skins, so I only do like these skins, like the things that you guys can get. To be honest, I like the tiger skins. You look great. Even with this, it looks cool, but what I really prefer is the red one. Yeah, it's like tiger red, like a red tiger. So I do love it, but it is still more. Guys, imagine if Call of Duty added a rainbow skin, and that rainbow skin just do this. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. And imagine, imagine that. Imagine this, guys. If Call of Duty added a rainbow skin, and the colors on there, it's just gonna be like different colors, like this. All of these four colors that are super rare and super hard to get. What if they made that kind of skin and just changes all to this? They just go like this. Oh, bro, guys, imagine that happens. Then that would be insane, guys. That will be insane. Oh my gosh. I don't really like the reptiles. I like the tiger more. Yeah. But you guys could change, you guys can change, the muzzle or whatever you like. The barrel, you guys can change it. The immunity, the the underbarrel, don't change it, because when you guys change the underbarrel, your chopper will, or your chainsaw will go back to the new chopper. So you want that. Well, but I know, but, but for the laser, I kind of pick this because it has the more range or whatever where it is. Yeah. So I'm just gonna find some, oh, okay, okay, everybody's gonna miss. Oh yes, we are 100% using the wrong. Okay, laser. We already talked about this. The MIP. Heavy handle. Nope. What we are using the 150 round, but it's gonna get rid of like 2% of our mobility. So I don't want that. So we're just gonna go with this. Even though 150 round mag is cool, but it gets rid of and changing the magazine just takes so long. Alright guys. Let's try out our new chopper, guys. Alright, it's gonna be team deathmatch and standoff. Because I know the standoff more. I do it, but not really. I don't really have tactics in that map. Yeah. but I do know some parkour tricks. And one parkour that is actually very hard to get to. You need gravity spikes and a care package. But I can't. But that will be. But that will be in a different video. And I'm saying that correct. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. That is gonna be in a different video. Alright. Here we have it. I've had it equipped. Here it is. Shout guys for my dog barking. I didn't really know what he's barking at. Well, also guys, this could shoot like long range. And when I mean long range, it can even shoot over there. Yeah, guys, see guys, it could even shoot right over there. This gun has long range, even if it doesn't have any scope. This gun has long range. Enemy there? This one? Ah! Bro, he shoveled me. He shoveled me. Bro, he's not even using something. He's just shoveling me. He's dead. He's dead. Yeah, we probably should change buildings now. Yeah. See you guys, see? You guys, I'm telling you guys. This chopper is insane.
We tied for the lead.
Oh my god! It's right there. Oh my gosh. You're so soda. I'm soda. Yeah.
Close. Fight harder. Care package awaiting orders. Lost the lead.
Oh yeah. I did knew I was gonna die. Yeah. I did knew I was gonna die. Guys, we could try my glitches up there, and we're gonna get up there on that tree. But I don't think you even need the care package. I think you just gotta run it. Ah, guys, I don't know if they patched it or if you actually need like the care package. Yeah. Wait, oh, okay. Guys, probably, I think I'm gonna try to get up there using the care package, Oh, yeah, I accidentally, okay, thank goodness I did not die to my own, oh no, enemy here, there it is. He's a sniper.
Enemy contact.
I killed the guy before I died, alright? So that counts. It doesn't matter. Because Call of Duty will count that. Alright?
Keep on them. We're winning this.
Woo! That was the guy who was killing me. You gotta win this game, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, okay, I get some bad. Yes, long range. Ooh, 360, guys. Does that count as a 360? Oh yeah. I don't know if that counts as a 360. No, the 360 is that. Yep. Oh, he's using the echo. Alright. Wait, can you actually get up? Can you get up here? No. Ah, bruh.
Heads up, team. Enemy UAV spotted. UAV online.
Ooh, we won. Alright. Nice. See guys, that wasn't a scam, guys. It's the chopper is actually in the game. Yeah, guys. See, Alright guys, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, please leave a like and subscribe and click that notification bell guys so you guys do not miss any of my videos, and yeah, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!